Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, I will show you how to make iCloud backups over cellular data on your iPhone. This is super useful if you don't always have Wi-Fi but still want your iPhone to backup automatically. You can enable this feature from the Settings app by following a few easy steps. Here's what you need to do. Launch the Settings app and tap on the cellular option. In some regions, this option is also labeled as mobile data. If you have that, then tap on it. On the next page, scroll down until you find the iCloud backup toggle. Turn this toggle on to have your iPhone backed up to iCloud over cellular data when Wi-Fi is not connected. Before turning this toggle on, do keep in mind that this will increase your cellular data usage, which is subject to carrier charges. If you have a limited data plan with your carrier, then avoid using this feature and back up your iPhone on Wi-Fi only instead. That's it. This is how you can make your iPhone backup on iCloud using cellular data. If you found this guide helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.